Place a wide heavy bottom pan on the stove and add 8 ounces of fresh spinach. These are Thai green chilies and they give spiciness to the dish. I'm going to add 4 Thai green chilies. It will make it spicy. If you want to make it medium spicy, add 2. And if you want to make it mild, add 1. Take the stem off and add it. And don't worry if you can't find these Thai green chilies. You can also use jalapenos. I'm going to add half a cup of water. Close the pan with a lid and cook in medium heat for 5 minutes. When the spinach is being cooked, place another wide heavy bottom pan on the stove and switch on the heat. Add 5 tablespoons of oil. Heat the oil for about a minute. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. When the cumin seeds turn dark brown in color, add 1 cup chopped onion. Cook the onion in medium heat for 3 minutes. Let's check the spinach. It's been 5 minutes now. The spinach has cooked down. I'm going to switch off the heat. I'm going to let the spinach cool down and then blend it into a smooth paste. Now you can see there is water in the spinach. Use the water, do not discard it. It contains the nutrients from the spinach. So use this water. When you blend the spinach, add this water also. The onion has been cooked for 3 minutes. Now you can see it is turning light brown in color. At this stage, we can add the tomato. I'm adding 2 cups of diced tomatoes. And 3 tablespoons of the ginger and garlic paste. Reduce the heat to low and mix the ingredients. Now I'm going to start adding the powdered spices. Half teaspoon of chili powder. The chili powder is the spice which gives heat to the dish. So if you want to make it more spicy, add more chili powder. Less spicy, add less chili powder. And keep the heat at low when you're adding the dry ingredients, because if the pan is hot and you add the dry spices, the spices will burn. So keep the heat in low when you're adding the dry spices. Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of kasuri methi. Kasuri methi is dried fenugreek leaves. I'm crushing this dried fenugreek leaf into the pan. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon salt. Once the palak paneer is ready, we can taste the sauce and add more salt if needed. Add half cup of water. Once you added the water, you can increase the heat from low to medium, because the water will prevent the spice powders from burning. Mix the contents well. Close the pan with the lid and cook in medium heat for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes now. And see the oil oozing around the edges of the sauce. This is the stage we are looking for. At this stage, we need to switch off the heat. The spinach puree is ready. I'm going to rinse the blender with some water and add the leftover spinach into the pan. I added about half a cup of water in the blender to rinse off the spinach which was stuck to the blender, and then added the water into the pan. Switch on the heat, keep it at medium, mix the contents well. Add the paneer. I added about 3 cups of paneer. Mix the paneer into the sauce. Close the pan with the lid and cook in medium heat for about 3 minutes. It's been 3 minutes. Add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Cook in low heat for about 1 minute and then switch off the heat. Palak paneer is ready. You can serve this palak paneer with rice or naan bread.